Hello guys, it's Cuba Girl. Welcome back for another unboxing here. This is just a really short unboxing. I'm going to unbox all the accessories I got from the large package. So let's unbox this. Okay. Seriously? Okay. Okay. And the cut. Let's take things out. Oh, there are so much cute stand lubes. Yeah. Okay, let's do this quick. So this is the cube bag. This is actually the magnet. I'll open up later. 3 peolple box. Okay. Okay, now let's start. So let's start with these two. 1 screwdriver, 2 screwdrivers. Yeah, this one actually has really great. Yeah, now let's move on to lube. So I had bought 2 cans. What is this? Standard lube, magic lube. Great. Is this magic lube? I hope so. So 3 magic lubes, and one it says homemade lube. The seller make this himself, and I bought it for a cheap price. So yeah, those are the loops. Now the cans tension tube. So if you didn't realize, I don't actually own a GAN's puzzle, but I want to use this in my Vox power magnetizing process. I just will get it. It's really cheap. Okay. Magnets. Wow. So I didn't expect my magnets to be so, it looks like there's only some magnets, but actually there are 300 4x1 magnets. The grade is N50, so N50 4x1 magnets. I'll be using to magnetize my Vox power, the Chuan, and the Russia. Well, this is 100 magnets, 4x2, and 2500 magnet. So this is a little bit more expensive. I'll be using this on the GTS2. Now, 3 boxes. Let me go take a cube. Okay, I'm back with 2 puzzles. Now let's test this box. Yeah, 2x2. Easily. What are you doing? Just snap. Okay. 2x2 easily. Let's test 3x3. Wow, it fits perfectly. You can see there's barely any space to move around. This is 55.5 for the Vox power. I know if 57mm puzzles can fit the cube box. And next off, hold a bunch of cube stand. So we got this black cube stand. It says here, where's the word? There's no word. Yeah, actually see here. There's actually some words written. Made in China. Made in China. Okay, that's hilarious. We got this moyu, and then another moyu, another one, another one, another one. So we have 5 moyus there. There's not even a single cheese. So I don't know if cheese don't have a stand or what, but these are all gifts. I didn't order any stand. So yeah, those sellers are really kind. Now this cube bag's really great. I want to take a larger puzzle and see where it fits. I'll go take my UR. I'm back with some puzzles. So let's test the bag. Hopefully. Oh my gosh. Oh, it can fit a Mega Mix perfectly. This is great. Let's see, for 4x4. Yeah, the cell say that it can fit until 6x6, but not 7x7. Now, haha, a weird one. Mix. Oh my gosh, it did. I didn't expect that it will fit the premix. Yeah. So that's all for today's unboxing. So thank you guys for watching. Please check out my other unboxings. So I'll see you tomorrow for my next unboxings.